A federal judge has ordered Maine to stop enforcing one part of the state's Human Rights Act against Cross Point Church, which operates Bangor Christian School. That's according to our media partner, WMTW. A federal district court has blocked Maine from enforcing part of the law against the church's school while the lawsuit continues. The dispute centers on a provision requiring private schools to treat all religions equally if they allow religious expression. Cross Point argued this would force the Christian school to permit messages conflicting with its beliefs. The judge blocked that specific rule, but Maine can still enforce other non-discrimination protections for sexual orientation and gender identity.